Every single time I come through here, I get a red light. But that's not the issue. So far, it's taking me 9 minutes to get from the entrance to the scale platform. And then I still got to get out of here. Only one time that I've come through here in all the years that I've been driving through here have I ever gotten a green light on my pre-pass. And that's with several companies. Because I'm not from California and the company's not from California. So they hold you up. It's taken me as much as 45 minutes to get through this scale. They've had them backed out way out onto the highway, and the entrance ramp is over a half-mile long. But the part that really annoys me is what we're coming up on right now, is these bumps. I'm a team operation, you'll see. Big old huge speed bumps. So you're bouncing your co-driver. You got somebody in the back that's trying to sleep. This is not a good thing. You're guaranteed to wake them up. Always happens. Every time. No matter who's driving, the co-driver always wakes up. Because they're getting royally bounced. I'm going over these things at 2 miles an hour. They shake the heck out of it. These scales are supposed to be here for safety. How is that safe? To put these speed cliffs in here and wake up co-drivers. How is it safe to waste up to 45 minutes? Okay, 11 minutes to get through here this time. This was fast. It's Sunday evening. It is just now 8 p.m. local. So it's relatively light. On a busy day, weekday, afternoon, morning. Monday mornings are atrocious. It can take forever to get through here. Now, how is that safe to waste our time like that? Keep us tied up. We have places to be. And we're just sitting there in a long line. I mean, I've been through accident backups that are better than this. It's horrible. California, you suck. Your scale procedures are atrocious. Look at this canyon. It's so much fun. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Left, right, up, down. Okay, this is going to be funny. We got unloaded this morning, a day early, and right now we're waiting on a load. Nothing's come across the Qualcomm yet. And we just pulled into the bay at the truck wash. We are at Little Sisters in Fontana, California. They usually do a real good job. But the fun part's going to be watching Alizé go ballistic. So once they start, it's going to get funny. They're pre-surfing right now. She likes attacking the water spray. Oh, there's a guy on this side with a brush. She's impossible to keep up with. She's actually tried to bite the windshield before. There you go. Going the Blue Beacon is fun too. They usually start off with a pressure washer instead of a brush. And she'll go after the water spray. Okay, well, I'm going to close out. This one's run long enough. And we're still waiting on load. Qualcomm hadn't beat. And once our truck gets cleaned, our truck gets washed out, looks like we're going to head for the Petro in Ontario, which is just 3 miles away. Have some breakfast and keep waiting on a load. And thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. They're pre-surfing right now. She likes attacking the water spray. Oh, there's a guy on this side with a brush. She's impossible to keep up with. She's actually tried to bite the windshield before. There you go. Okay, we're at the Petro in Ontario now. And we just got the truck wash at Little Sisters Truck Wash in Fontana, a couple miles away. And I was bragging on them earlier. Our previous truck was charcoal gray, had all these different flecks of colors in it, so it hid stuff real well. This truck is black, so you get to see things. And what we saw is a boatload of surface scratches in our paint job. Now, we've only got 20,000 miles on this truck, and I hope it shows up on this video. But I'm going to show you the door, and I am like really disgusted to the point of being extremely angry. Well, I'm going to show you some other things too, because they missed a bunch of stuff. They did a really bad job, and they scratched up my paint. Now, it's all surface scratches. I'll be able to polish it out, but I shouldn't have to go through this just for getting it washed. Now, right here The hood was up when they washed it. You can see all this stuff that they didn't clean here. Alright. Up in here, there's still stuff left in there, but hopefully the light will hit it right. Let's see, try at this angle. There's a whole bunch of scratches in here, like right through here, and big long streak right there. Another streak down through there, another streak down through there. This was done with the brushes. Nasty. Sorry about that, had somebody come up and talk to me. Now here we got some vertical scratches, and through here. You can tell this was done with the brush. Look at this. Horizontal streaking here. This is just downright nasty. So I'm telling everybody, do not go to Little Sisters Truck Wash in Fontana. Especially if you have a black truck. They will screw it up.